In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Dallas County property tax if you live in Garland in 2025. Paying your property tax can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it can be a straightforward process. Let's walk through each step so you feel confident making your payment. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the official Dallas County Tax Office website. You can do this by opening up your favorite web browser and keying in www.dallascounty.org/tax. Once you've accessed the page, take a moment to look around if you like, but our primary focus today will be on how to make that property tax payment. Next, you'll need to find the Pay a Property Tax Bill option. This should be prominently displayed on the site, so go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the payment section where you'll be able to input all the necessary details regarding your property. You'll now see a search option. Here, you can find your property using several criteria, be it your name, your address, your account number, or even a fiduciary number if applicable. Make sure to input this information as accurately as possible to ensure you're accessing the correct property details. Once you locate your property, it's time to follow the prompts to enter your payment information. There are a couple of ways you can pay, either by e-check, which is essentially an electronic check transaction, or by credit or debit card. With an e-check, you won't incur any additional fees, making it a convenient and cost-effective option. If you choose to pay by credit or debit card, note that there is a convenience fee of 2.05% of the total amount. This fee has a minimum charge, which begins at $2.85. Make sure you weigh these options to decide which payment method works best for you. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to review all your entered payment details. This step is crucial because it's much easier to correct any errors before the payment is processed. Once you're sure everything is accurate, go ahead and confirm your payment. After confirmation, you should receive an email verification. This is your digital proof of payment, so keep it somewhere safe. Additionally, a paid receipt will be mailed to you, giving you a physical record for your files, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should successfully manage to pay your Dallas County property tax without any trouble. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has made the process much simpler for you. Remember, staying informed and reviewing your information carefully are key to a smooth transaction.